Hi loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Hi, my name is Melody. Just in case you see me for the first time here on YouTube, hi, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber or a returning viewer that is about to turn to a subscriber when you click the subscribe button, thank you very much for also stopping by. Today I'll be answering some anonymous questions, and I'll be doing my nails while at it. I just want to get my nails done. If you guys watched my last video, you know that I have a favorite nail polish at the moment, and I've been using this for a while. Sorry, the weather is like back and forth. Yeah, so I'll just be cleaning my nails and having nail polish on and answering some questions. Guys, I'm on break. I'm supposed to be working by now. Actually, I'm not supposed to be working. I'm on break, like I said. Please. So I just thought to make a video because we got to be consistent. I got this video idea from Yechi. Shout out to you, sis. So let's see. I'm just going to be cleaning my nails, guys. This is what my nails look like. This is what the other ones look like. My nails look cute on camera. Don't mind these things. They are not that decent. Okay, so the first question I'll be answering, these are anonymous questions actually, so bruh. Okay, so when last did you lie? Well, I don't know. I can't say. I don't know. Lie, actual lie. I can't remember. Okay. Have you ever been fired from a job before? That's the second question. No, it's not a hard one. Actually, no. I've actually never had a job before. Yeah. Like a job that requires somebody to fire me. No. So nobody has ever tried to for what? Nobody has ever tried to fire me before. Yeah, so the next question, we're going to be applying my nail polish. I'm just going to be showing you guys on screen. So the next question is there any difference between what you studied in school and what you're practicing? Actually, I'm working in 9 to 5 at the moment, and if there is any difference between what I studied in school and what I'm practicing right now, yes, there is, but not so much. The difference is not like so broad like that. Yeah, the difference is just I don't know, just a little bit, but then the knowledge from what I studied has helped me maintain my job. So yeah, the difference is not that wide, it's not that deep. Okay, so my next question is wait, I want to start a YouTube channel, but I'm still in school. I want to be as consistent as possible. Okay, yeah, exactly. Actually, I'm not even the right person to ask this question because I'm still trying to get my feet, but then it's just good that you have people who are trying to, just as you are. And normally I would say that you take baby steps because like it all boils down to what you can actually deliver and how well you can deliver it. Because if you come on here and you really just, I don't know if I would make sense, but you come on here and you're not sure. I'm not saying be totally sure about what you want to do, but it will be more frustrating if you don't have a hang on what you want to do at all, like at all. You have zero knowledge, just passion. It will be more frustrating. So I feel like you should take your time. If you want to start and test the waters and know what it feels like to actually be in this situation, you can go ahead. But if not, you can just take your time and get to know what the entire thing is all about before you dive deep into it. And as for school, please take school seriously. It's really, really important. But bruh, there's money everywhere. So just chill and learn about what you want to do. That's like, okay, one of the mistakes that I made when I was still planning on starting YouTube or continue YouTube, because I started YouTube like a long time ago, but then continue YouTube, I just felt like I could just jump into it and then find my way through. Sometimes that works, but then like, what is the ratio? What is the percentage? No one knows. Okay, so the next question is, I think it's too late to start a YouTube channel. It really feels like everyone is doing the same thing. Actually, yeah, you're right. Yeah, you are right. Everyone is doing the same thing, but then, like, I have watched a couple of YouTubers who are still doing great. That there are companies who come up every day. Let's just forget about every other thing and let's talk about the money part. Okay, let's talk about the money part. There is a lot of companies, like a lot of startups, that are launching every single day. Every single day, people have new ideas. Every single day, people are coming up with their businesses. People are launching, they're starting up, and all that. And for one, you should know that revenue from YouTube comes from mainly companies who are advertising, and that's where most of the money comes from. And these companies are still there. These people are still there. These advertisers need your viewers to see their products. So you can't say, oh, it's oversaturated, because there are more people in the world. There are more people coming on YouTube. Maybe before now, I would assume that, okay, maybe there are a certain age of people who used to have access to the internet or have access to come online and do some things, and sometimes it used to be like for educational purposes. But at this point, especially after the pandemic, there are a lot of people who come to YouTube to just feel entertained, and I feel like you have something to offer. And I know that people would agree with me that yes, you do have something to offer them. So don't think, oh, the market is saturated, or I'm just starting out. Like, being consistent, being serious with YouTube, and I know that there is a space for me. I get that there is a space for me. So even if you just open your channel today and you begin to be like, hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, there is a space for you, and that's for sure. Let's just move on to the next question. And the next question says, how important is it to have a content creator team? Please don't ask me, because as I'm here now, it's just me and this camera you're seeing now. Don't ask me. I don't know how important it is, but I feel like it is important. It's important when you're a big deal, or when content creating is a big deal to you. It's really important, because like, burnout is real. Somebody can just fall down one day and just faint, because you have been just doing everything by yourself and carrying your business on your shoulders. And I understand that one. So it's important. I'd say it's important to have a team of people who will come through for you when you need them. It's really important. But aside that, bro, if you're not there yet, just do it yourself until you get there. Okay, do it yourself until you get there. There's always that day you're going to definitely get to that point where you command activities to be done on your behalf, and then they get done. But for now, If you're not there yet, just keep doing what you're doing and keep hoping, okay? Yeah, so the next question is, are there times when you feel like you don't know your purpose in life? As I'm sitting down here filming this video, that's how I feel. Okay, like, who does a sit down video getting their nails done? Who on the planet does that? Who on the planet does that? Like, me, only Melody does that. I do feel that way a lot of the time. Like, at this point I kind of feel like everybody else feels that way. Everybody else feels like they don't know what they're doing in this world. Like, not like they don't know why they are here or something like that, but like, things go south so quickly, like things go out of your plan so quickly, and it's just easier to sit and wonder, like, what are you even doing in this world? Like, what's your purpose? Why are you here? Does the world really need you? I get it. Sometimes that voice in your head says all of these things, and then there's no way to shut it up. Like, a lot of the time there's no way to shut it up. So yeah, we all feel that way at some point. Don't worry, you're not alone if you're feeling that way, and I'm sure I'm not alone if I'm feeling that way either. Okay, so my next question is, how do you feel when you're about to start something scary? I feel scared. I actually feel scared. I don't really explore as much, which is something that I feel like I've been holding myself back from doing, like, for the longest of time. I don't really explore. I don't really do new things. I'm not that person who does new things or like who tries out new things. No, you won't find me there. But for the longest of time I've been thinking about it, and I'm like, what's the harm in like getting to that point where you want to do something that is different from what you're usually used to doing? And okay, I'm getting to that point. I will get to that point. Sorry about the sun. The sun is terrible. The sun is terrible. But we have to use natural light because, like I said, we're all starting now. It's just a matter of time until this whole thing doesn't affect me anymore. And then if you're also wanting to start a YouTube channel, it's just a matter of time until this whole thing doesn't affect you anymore. My last question, which is the 10th question: what is the worst thing and the best thing about content creating in Nigeria? I feel like I don't really know how to answer this question because I've not really experienced any good thing about creating content in Nigeria, especially doing a 9 to 5, trying to balance work with, work and all that. But what I would say is I like the freedom. I like the idea that, okay, when you get to a certain level in this industry, you have a certain level of freedom and you dictate what you want to do. Like especially when you don't get yourself into a point of competition, you decide if you want to take on brands, you decide if you want to rest for the month, you decide if you want to rest for the entire year, you decide all of those things. And then it's also a way of a passive income kind of thing. Like, if you keep making money whether you're in front of the camera or not, like I'll literally sleep all my life, okay? So I feel like that's one good thing about content creating generally, and also in Nigeria, because like, who doesn't like freedom? And the worst thing is every other thing in between is bad. Like, being in Nigeria and creating content, no. Everybody sees it as strange. Everybody sees it as, what are you doing? Everybody, like, you get stares from, like, you feel a certain kind of way just because maybe you're holding your camera up and filming something, especially in places where there are not a lot of people who are actually doing the same thing. Maybe if you get to a gathering where there are like other content creators, you feel comfortable because all of you are with your cameras, all of you are with your phones. But when it's not that, it's weird. It's weird when it's only you doing it. Weird. Okay guys, thank you very much. This is how my nails turned out. Yeah, I'm done. Yeah, this is how my nails turned out, and I kind of like them. I'm going to be getting a new nail polish. Yeah, a new color that I will be obsessed with for the time being. But until then, this is what we're sticking with, and I love you guys. Thank you very much for watching. I just pray that this video comes out like in very, very good quality, even though this one is terrible. This one is a bad boy, but I'm going to try as much as possible, guys. Keep watching, subscribe, don't forget to like watch my other videos that I'm going to be posting. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. Leave a thumbs up, please. If there are more questions that you feel like you want to ask me, please go ahead and ask, and I'll be sure to reply. Thank you guys very much. I appreciate you so much. You guys don't know what you mean to me. Yeah, bye. I'll see you in my next video.